Welcome to the Zabbie Task Editor. Let's see how to create automation to get information on files and folders. For example, I want to see the information about the file which is located at this location. For example, demo.xlsx. Go to your task editor in the activity panel, type file info get, drag and drop this action into your workspace. So in the input, we need to provide the file location. So it's asking for file path. Go to your file location, select this file location, Control C, paste here. Remember the name which we want to provide here. Go to the value picker, static value, paste here. And the file name is demo.xlsx. Just type the name of your file here. Press on OK button. So if you look at the properties here, in the input we are giving the file, and in the output, these are the values which the file info get action is providing us. Like these are the different outputs which we can see. Okay, this is a file name, file extension, file size, creation time, last access time, last write time. So these are the values which we can see. Go to the activity panel for the message box action, through which we can see the output. We'll send that output to the message box. Give a title. As we are looking for file info, type file info here as a title. So in the text, so these are the output options which we are getting from the file info get. For example, I want to see or check the file size. Check this property, press on OK button, and end this process and save your automation. Give a name to your automation, file info, press on save button. Now execute your automation by pressing on the start button. So here we can see this file size. Okay, I want to see if I want to see the some other information like what is the file extension. You can go for file extension, press select this and press on OK button, and save your automation. Press on start button for execution, and here we get the extension of our file. In this way we can create an automation for simple file information. So to come out of this selection on the green color, press the key combination Control A, and you can press over here to get it into the normal screen. The same way, I want to see the folder info get. Create another workspace by pressing Add tab in the activity panel. Type folder info get. This is action. Drag and drop this action to your workspace. Here we need to provide the folder path. As we provided the file path, now I want to see the information about this folder, Zappy files. Click here, select this location, Control C, go to the file folder path input and the value picker, the static value, paste here, and type your folder name here. Here it is Zappy files. Press on OK button. Now we can access the information through message box. Before that we can see the outputs which the folder info get is giving. So these are all the outputs which our action is providing. So in order to access this output, go to the activity panel for the message box, drag and drop this action into your workspace, give a title, folder info, as we are accessing the folder info here. Here you select the output properties, which property you want. For example, I want to see the file count, how many number of files are there in this folder. You can select this property and press on OK button. End this process. Save your automation. Press on save button and execute now. Press on start button. So the folder contains 22 files. That's what it is showing. I want to see some other information. For example, go to the text value picker. What is the last write time? I'm choosing this one. Press on OK button and save your automation and execute it by pressing on start. And here we get the information when it is been last time created or last time written, right? So to come out of this selection, press a key combination Control A to get into the normal screen. Thank you.